Do you need a fire like right now? These Fireflame fire plugs are an excellent solution. Really compact. They feature a cotton dental plug treated with a paraffin and some solvents to make them waterproof. Let's throw them right in the water there. Take them out, shake them off, and give these things a go. We got 3 different ferro rods here that we're going to use to try and light these. And we're going to see how it goes. There's one. There's 2. And there's 3. If you could get a spark on these, they're going to go. Do check out my affiliate links for the Fireflame fire starters. It's a great way to support the channel and get a kick butt fire starting solution for you. Thanks for watching.